Hey guys, I am back with another video tour, and this time it's not a 4 BHK or your regular 3 BHK. This is a massive 5 BHK on the most sought after location, which is the Golf Course Road. And it's not only in Gurgaon, but I can very safely say that North India mein this has become an address that everybody wants to be on. Now, ये अपार्टमेंट आपको बिल्डर ऐसे देने वाला है जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, which is VRV air conditioning fitting, marble done, fully loaded kitchen with wardrobes and the washroom. बट आई एम श्योर अभी भी आपको ना एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो रही होगी कि मेरा घर कैसे दिखाई देगा with the sofas, with all the furniture. So let me solve it for you. Now this is the inspiration I was talking about, but before we take a tour of this sample apartment, please appreciate how incredible is this common area, the seating space and this bar. And let's get out the specification and the configuration out of the way. This project is Tulip Monsella on the Golf Course Road in Sector 53. और इस प्रोजेक्ट में आपको 10 टावर्स मिलेंगे एंड यू विल हैव द चॉइस ऑफ अ 3 BHK starting with 2300 square feet, 4 BHK, 5 BHK and penthouses. And let's talk about this particular apartment. It is a 5 BHK along with a utility room and a lounge also. And the area is 4,503 square feet. And this particular project does not just have a clubhouse, it has a 2.5 acres of sports area and also a sky hub at the 42nd floor to give you the breathtaking views of the Aravali and the skyline on the Golf Course Road. So let's begin with the bar because हम bar पे ही बैठे तो let's talk about it. The detailing, the entire tabletop is of marble and if you see the wall, it is textured और जो color है वो complement कर रहे हैं painting के colors को, that is golden, black and white. और मुझे लगता है जो common area है ना, ये hues of the color, it's very similar throughout the house that you will see. And moving on, this is where you keep your beautiful looking wine, bottle of alcohol, liquor, whatever you consume. So ये see through है, which makes it an interesting decor item as well. Now moving from the bar area, जो कि मुझे छोड़ने का मन नहीं था, but even this is absolutely stunning, तो मुझे यहाँ भी आना ही था. This great drawing room is very nicely designed to accommodate very easily 8 to 10 people. And by the way, did you see यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है please do not sit, but we are Indians, we don't listen to instructions. जो हमारा मन करेगा हम करेंगे. But jokes aside, जो theme है पूरे घर में, what I see is inspired by wildlife. For example, the cushion, the artwork, in fact this incredible center table, और ये जो color है ये भी बहुत unique है. I mean, if you look at the design, this is so nice. Feels like कि ये water में there's some feature inside it, so everything is really great. अब let's head to the dining room जहाँ पर everybody can gather for a sumptuous meal. Now let's walk towards the dining area and once again let's talk about the color theme of the house. जो common areas of the house है, that is very classical and muted with beige color and with the hint of gold. For example, you can see here it is gold, the cutlery and crockery is all gold. Plus let's appreciate how beautiful it is, the glasses, I really like it. हर चीज़, whether it is the candles, the chandelier, everything has been very tastefully designed and curated. Let's not miss out the marble wall here, which is complementing the marble tabletop. Now moving towards the cabinet. Now you only tell me, isn't it inspired by the wildlife theme again? And this is not like a regular table here, you have storage space. Now let's move towards the third wall of the dining room, which is all glass. Now who doesn't love glasses on the wall? And इससे एक और चीज़ आपको मिलती है, एक illusion दिखता है कि हाँ your space is bigger and massive. Now automatically from the dining room we slide into the kitchen. Kitchen is white, it gives you the feeling everything is so clean, everything is spick and span, and you have ample storage space, a good size refrigerator. और जो मेरा favorite part होता है any kitchen is the pantry because you can get your hands on snacks. Now, as we step outside, yes, we can step outside. It's a little noisy here because all your not so good looking stuff is here. You can also put your washing machine here, and this is the utility room wherein I'll give you a tour later. So now let's step back into the center of the house, which is the drawing room. And before we resume our tour, let me tell you, the other side of the house, which is the left wing, includes 3 bedrooms, more private space and a family den. And on the other side, we have the guest room along with the drawing room. So let's go to the guest room. Let's walk. And this is where we enter. But before that, Let's see the elements that we've seen. Once again, tinted glasses, 3 different glasses, really tall in height, gives you the illusion that once again the space is very, very huge. This is the table wherein you enter. You can put your maybe car keys and other essential stuff here. Now let me take you to the guest bedroom. In case if you see the guest bedroom, I really love how intimate and a private space it is. They have a queen size bed, but obviously you can put a king size bed as well in case you want to put. And here you have the wooden reeded walls, which really complements the wooden engineered flooring there. It is all covered with the curtains, but you have a beautiful view of the golf course road. And just because ये guest bedroom है does not mean कि यहाँ पे size ही नहीं है. Proper wardrobe है आपके पास, and then you have a space here wherein you can put these cute chairs, and then you have a TV. Obviously जब guests आएंगे they want something to be entertained. And on my right is the washroom, which is small in size but very, very functional. As I exit from the guest bedroom, I am back into the foyer, and let's start moving towards the common area. But on the left is your powder room, which is white in color, really cute. Just for the inspiration, have a look. It's all marble, it's all about white. Now let's enter into the other wing of the house, which is more private, and this is the Lakshman Rekha. Well, basically that is a very clever design. Once again, private, public part and more private part. Come. Now this is the family lounge. I really like it. Oh wow. Off lately मैंने chess खेलना start किया है, but जिस chess पे मैं खेलती हूँ that is very regular. This is very classic, as luxurious as this apartment is. Now let's sit here for a minute and talk about the color and design theme running throughout the house. Once again, beige color with a hint of golden in the artwork, marble top, marble flooring, and the hint of leather here in the chairs. I mean, so much of oomph factor throughout the house. So this is the first bedroom, I mean second after the guest bedroom. And in case you see, it is slightly bigger than the guest bedroom. And herein you have a queen size bed, but very easily you can fit a king size bed. और फिर से आपके पास space है for you to put a couch there. This is the washroom. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. You need to check out the design element. Marble का जो design use किया है, it's so nice. And who doesn't like an additional storage space? A wardrobe for you. So coming out of the bedroom, I am once again back to the family lounge, wherein there are opening to all the 4 rooms. Before I take you to the master bedroom, जो कि एक highlight होता है, showstopper होता है, I need to show you the rest of the bedrooms. This is the third bedroom of the house. So many elements of marble, like I've not even thought about it. यहाँ पर उन्होंने फिर से एक wildlife inspired किया है with a touch of golden. And अगर आप bedrooms में check करेंगे, सब में wooden flooring है, the engineered wooden flooring, so that it does not look very overpowering कि over the top marble हो रहा है. और ना ही same goes with the wood also. Now here you have a king size bed, which is massive, with cute corner tables on the either side, and a wardrobe, plus there is an ample space wherein you can put additional wardrobe also. And on my right is the washroom, again very spacious because it starts from here, runs until the end of the room. Now this is the puja area, but you can use it as a storage space also, or like a bookshelf, like a cute reading room, or a corner rather. Now entering into the 4th bedroom. Now this is very differently designed because as you enter you have a walk-in closet, a small closet, but it's a nice touch. And then you have the washroom, right, with a separate shower cubicle. Now heading back to the room, it is very uniquely designed, and I guess the theme is the energy is very feminine, with pink colored walls, and this painting is also pink and silver, really nice. It could be a cute room for your daughter or like your sister. Very feminine energy that I really, really like. Now let's go to the final room, which is the primary bedroom. Let me show you. You must be waiting for it. Okay, once again, the theme and the style is very similar to the room next door, because you have a walk-in closet. This time it is a bigger walk-in closet on the either side, and then you have a black colored washroom which gives you a very royal feeling. You have a water closet here, shower cubicle here, and a beautiful jacuzzi. Nice. I hope you approve of the design. Okay, now coming back to the room, And how beautiful is the painting. This is actually textured if you see, and I really like the headgears. Wow. Now this is huge. It is worth the wait. अच्छा मैं last में दिखा रही हूँ because obviously I am going to take my sweet time, sit here, relax and enjoy in this room. I mean you can spend hours and hours in this room doing what you really like. और मेरे पीछे एक huge balcony deck covered by the sliding glass doors which brings ample of sunlight. Now let's not forget कि इस रूम में एक different color है which is green, which is adding so much of element to the room, the character. And you also have the space here to host like a small private group of friends to enjoy like your drink, or maybe enjoy like with your partner a good breakfast in the morning. I hope you really liked the apartment, and let me sum up it for you. This was a huge, fantabulous 5 BHK with a family lounge where I am right now. You can have a great private time watching a TV or just hang out or play a game of chess. And then we are back to the living area, the common area of the house. On my right is the living room, a cool bar space, a cozy dining setup, and the kitchen here, which has the attached balcony to the servant room. And here also you have a huge balcony deck running until the end of the house, the powder room. And before we go out, I want to show you your private lift lobby.